Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add a second user or guest account on your DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. So first of all, we're gonna need to open settings on our tablet, scroll down to system and open this menu. Then here we're gonna have to select users and enable user switch by switching this toggle to the right. Now if you want to add a user with a Google account, you have to tap add user right here, then tap next, and then create a name for them, then tap done, and then sign into their Google account. Now if you want to add a guest account, you have to tap add guest and wait until the guest is created. Then you can instantly switch to the guest's account. And now to switch back to your account, you simply have to swipe down the control center, tap on the account's profile icon and select your main account to go back to your primary account on this tablet. And that's how we do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.